today at Tudor Hall we've had a Wellbeing focus day, which has involved all the girls here who have done a variety of different activities to really focus on their well-being, their mental health, and really understanding what it is they can do to try and support themselves, but also learning some very important techniques such as mindfulness. So this morning our Tods to Fours all had a talk by SHONE from I Can, I Am, and it was a brilliant way to start the day. He spoke about their inner resilience, about who they are as a person and the challenges that they may face, and really motivating them to just go out there and be themselves and to find that in a balloon to inflate and to really have the confidence to go out and do what they want to do. And we had a boy band who came here today called Here at Last, and they came to do a wonderful performance and Q&A session with the girls and to talk about a really important topic of mental health and the impact of social media on that, and this really was one of the highlights of the day. They also then had sessions in mindfulness, learning how to do that, and we had some great trainers from the Wellbeing crew, which was fantastic. And then our Tods got a chance to really explore the grounds of Tudor Hall through art, and they looked at the different trees, the leaves, and created something fantastic out of the leaves and out of nature. And the twos enjoyed parts of our woods today. They roasted marshmallows and also then had a session with our school counsellor Sarah Whitehouse, who talked about what it's like to be a teenager. In the afternoon, the senior girls focused more on the mindfulness and then looking at exam stress and the stresses that have all come about over the last 18 months to 2 years, and some really useful things in there to help them to cope with some of these pressures and the changes that they've had to go through. So really the day was about, looking at how we can all focus on our well-being, why it is so important to us, and especially to the girls here, and to take away some really useful tips and things that they can use in their everyday lives to help them to maintain a really healthy well-being, and also to really understand what mental health is and what they can do to support themselves in it. So it's been a fantastic day, and it's been so nice to see them all out off timetable doing something a little bit different.